My stepson kept begging me for a finger spinner. I was fresh out of fingers, so I had to harvest my own. It's at this point that I start to second guess this project a little bit. Starting to miss my fingers. Then I realized I could no longer count to 10. And I decided it was probably best to go to bed for the night. After taking a fistful of male enhancement products, I woke up the next day rejuvenated, and was surprised to find my hand in perfect health. Time to get back to the shop, turn the lights on for once, and finish this project out. I bought a fidget spinner from Amazon. It's nice and heavy, it's weighted, and you can add and remove different extensions to it. So I chose to put 4 into my finger shells and epoxy them in. I did add a bit of fake blood to the epoxy to kind of ramp up the effect. After my finger shells dried, it was time for the unveil. Haven't you been asking for a finger spinner?
A fidget spinner?
A finger spinner?
A fidget spinner.
A finger spinner?
No. Where did you get this?
I made it. Out of my own fingers.
Okay, that's a little disgusting.
I was really happy with how they turned out at the end. They're disturbingly heavy in a weird way and rubbery. The only negative is there's a lot of meat on there, so it is hard to get your fingers in there without the fingers catching your fingers. Ha! Please subscribe if you're new here. Next week, as a follow-up, I'll be taking my finger chunks and making calamari for the whole family. See you next week!